You remember, even in the case of Christ, the very same people who sang Hosanna in their eyes are the very same who say, "Crucify him." That is life. They sing Hosanna in the highest when they think you are going nowhere when you are going somewhere. They say, "Crucify him, crucify him." The history of the world is that when they are given a choice between Christ and Barabbas, the world will always say, "Release Barabbas. Release Barabbas." That is the nature of humanity. Follow for more life lessons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life lessons and thought-provoking content.